Good morning and welcome everybody to my channel. My name is Jakub Vaniš and today we're going to be talking about Tesla, self-driving actually, being finally really utilized in big numbers, because what we're looking at is a video of, new Teslas that are produced, I think this is in Fremont factory in the US, that are driving themselves to the dock automatically without any workforce needed. So this is a 3 times sped up, video of this, but it's really, really interesting. Even though this whole route is about 2 kilometers, the car will actually need to get to the road. And I think we're not really far off from the future where you order a Tesla and it will actually come to you. It will come to your house without anybody in it. It will just drive itself to you. And I think people are just not ready for that future. They don't comprehend it. I'm from Europe. The regulations here are even so strict that I can't even imagine supervised FSD running in Europe in any time soon, even though Elon Musk is predicting that this will happen still this year, or potentially latest next year we will have unsupervised FSD in Europe. I can't really imagine this because we've been used to driving our cars for a century right now. So just take a look at this amazing video that we're watching right now and let me know what you think about this in the comments. Do you think this is the future? This is like Tesla just flexing, or tell me what you think about this. So I wish you an amazing day, everybody, and cheers to the autonomy, I guess. Take care. Bye bye.